Hello and welcome to Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. My name is Alik Shulman and I'm running YouTube channel NatureWithAlik. You can always follow me with updates on beautiful nature around the world. I'm traveling around the world and sharing the beauty of the nature. Here we go, Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard, just 30 minutes away from Los Angeles, and I operate this beautiful, nice and pretty dragon fruit orchard in Thousand Oaks. Look how pretty it is. We have so many varieties. If you have never seen the flower of dragon fruit, never tasted the dragon fruit, please contact me. It's Alik 323, area code 547-1273. We have dozens and dozens of varieties, over 50 varieties of beautiful and tasty dragon fruit. Some of them tasting tropical flavor, some of them grape flavor, candy flavor, and coconut flavor. This is the famous, beautiful Coneymeyer variety, which is a pretty pink flower and coconut flavor. Can you imagine? Just so many varieties. We have 300 varieties of dragon fruit, and each one had unique taste. This is a beautiful sugar dragon. All kids love sugar dragon. So sweet and tasty fruit. I welcome you all to have a family tour, to enjoy the 4th of July is coming in a couple days, and definitely I'll give you a nice tour with explanation what is the dragon fruit, how it's growing, and we can harvest some of the fruit and taste the beauty and flavor. Look at this. Look how many 160 flowers were pollinated last night. Amazing. Look at the colors. Look at you can come and smell. The fragrance is amazing. People even in pharmaceutical industry, do the cologne and do the perfume with the flavor, with the fragrance of beautiful dragon fruit. Amazing. Please come over, Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard, Los Angeles area, and you can come over and taste. Look at this. We have so many fruit coming in very soon. Very soon. Growing organically. Oh my gosh, this is like a dragon fruit jungle over here. Amazing. Kids love it. Kids love to see it. And even bees coming to pollinate over here. Look at this. Nice. Very nice. And we can have a nice half an hour to an hour tour. It's a group tour or individual or family. And you would be really happy to see it. Come over here. Look at this. So many varieties, so many beautiful flowers. You would never see this pretty nature what gives us just to enjoy. And this plant is already loaded with the fruit that will come very soon. July, August, September, October, November. This is the season when I go to the farmers market, when I introduce people to the vitamins and minerals and benefits of dragon fruit eating. It becomes the superfruit these days. And you would really enjoy just watching the pretty of the flowers, enjoy the taste of the fruit, and you'll be really happy to come over and have a tour. Again, I welcome you all, Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard, NatureWithAlik YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and looking forward to see you guys.